Damn. You see anything suspicious?
Where do I start? First of all of this looks a little spooky. I even seen these two ladies walking with George Washington wigs on their head from the 1700s. I feel like I'm in Transylvania some damn way. Ramsey, we're looking everywhere. I just grew a new bunion. This is hopeless.
What?
You see that?
See what?
Their ears. They got cauliflower ears. They fight for a living. Don't worry about it. Roman. Hey, man, I ordered a pair of Crocs 3 weeks ago, and I'm still waiting. My shoes, man.
Man, we really need to work on your planning. Hey, Dom.
You should get down to the cathedral.
Dumbass here just attacked some delivery dudes because he didn't like their ears.
Wait. How much you say you pay for that again? You know silver ain't magnetic, right?
You know what? Just shut up. Just shut up. Ramsey, say we had a big electromagnet turned up right around here. Wouldn't that disrupt all electronic signals?
Including security systems. That's it. That's how Jacob's getting into the vault. Guys? Okay, we've got police coming from all sides. The area's locking down.
He ain't using roads.
I got eyes on Jacob.
I see Otto. I'm gonna tail him. He's heading towards a blue Jaguar.
Okay, follow him.
Me? I can't.
Why not?
Okay, this is a bad time to tell you this. But I don't drive, okay? I never got my license, I don't know how to drive, and, you know, no one really drives in London, okay? And that is not my contribution to this group.
It's you or no one.
Shit.
Guys, come on, man. I feel like between the 6 of us, we can work this out, right?
Brake is on the left, accelerator right. was my fault.
See? What'd I tell you? Not even a scratch.
Otto, sending you new pickup location.
I've got it. I'm headed to you now.
Otto, where are you?
Jacob, I'm there. I don't see anybody.
It's because you're on the wrong street.
Very natural.
Of course I am.